हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू इंटेलेक्चुअल शॉर्ट एंड। आज की डिक्टेशन 400 वर्ड्स की होगी, जिसको आपने 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड होगी और इसमें आपको 5% से कम गलतियां करनी हैं। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करें। इफ़ एनी प्रोविज़न ऑफ ए लॉ मेड बाय द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली with respect to matters enumerated in the state list, in the 7th schedule to the Constitution is repugnant to any provision of a law made by Parliament with respect to that matter, whether passed before or after the law made by the legislative assembly, or if any provision of a law made by the legislative assembly with respect to any matter enumerated in the concurrent list in the 7th schedule to the Constitution is repugnant to any provision of any earlier law, other than a law made by the legislative assembly, with respect to that matter, then, in either case, the law made by Parliament, or, as the case may be, such earlier law shall prevail, and the law made by the legislative assembly of the Union Territory shall, to the extent of the repugnancy, be void, provided that if such law made by the legislative assembly has been reserved for the consideration of the President and has received his assent, such law shall prevail in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, provided further that nothing in this section shall prevent Parliament from enacting at any time any law with respect to the same matter, including a law adding to, amending, varying or repealing the law so made by the legislative assembly. Stop. Next para. A bill or amendment shall not be deemed to make provision for any of the matters aforesaid by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties, or for the demand or payment of fees for licenses or fees for services rendered, or by reason that it provides for the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. Stop. A bill which, if enacted and brought into operation, would involve expenditure from the consolidated fund of Union Territory shall not be passed by the Legislative Assembly of the Union Territory unless the Lieutenant Governor has recommended to the Assembly, the consideration of the bill. Stop. Assent to bills. Stop. When a bill has been passed by the Legislative Assembly, it shall be presented to the Lieutenant Governor, and the Lieutenant Governor shall declare either that he assents to the bill or that he withholds assent therefrom, or that he reserves the bill for the consideration of the President. Stop.